Hello, dear students. Welcome back to the e-learning platform of Divine Public School. This is Shivain sir, and I'm going to explain you active and passive voice. In this video, I shall teach you how to change the voice from active to passive and passive to active. So let's begin. Sentences in which the subject performs the action and the object receives it are said to be in the active voice. The active voice is used when the agent or the doer is to be made prominent or important. The structure of active voice is SVO. For example, the hunter killed the lion. The hunter subject, killed verb, and the lion object. Let's see passive voice. When the verb in a sentence shows that the subject is not the doer of the action, the sentence is in the passive voice. The passive voice is used when the action is to be made prominent. In passive voice, the structure is OVS. That is to say, first of all object, then verb, third form of the main verb. In whole passive voice, in all kinds of sentences and tenses, we have to use third form of the main verb. And generally, before subject, we place by. Let's see the same example into its passive voice. The lion was killed by the hunter. The lion object, was killed verb, and the hunter subject. Now let's see rules for converting active into passive voice. Subject, the very first rule, subject will be replaced by the object and object will be replaced by the subject. They will change their positions. If the subject and object are nouns, they will simply replace each other. For example, Ramesh called Animesh, and in the passive voice, Animesh was called by Ramesh. Animesh has replaced Ramesh. Now, in the second example, I shall invite him. So, what do we notice here? Now, there are pronouns. I is the pronoun and him is the pronoun. And if we change their places, him will be converted into he and I will be converted into me. It means subject will be converted into object and object will be converted into subject. They helped us. Us will be converted into we and they will be converted into them. We were helped by them. It means subjective pronouns will be converted into objective pronouns and objective pronouns will be converted into subjective pronouns. He will be converted into him, she into her, they into them, I into me, we into us. The pronouns it and you are not changed because they are used as subject and object as well. So children, what do we have to do first of all? When we are changing the voice from active to passive, we have to change the subject into object and object into subject. Next comes the rules of tenses. Which rules should be followed while changing the voice into passive? I will read out the helping verbs which we have to use in different types of tenses. Children, you must learn these rules. In simple present tense, we use helping verbs is, am, are and third form of the main verb. As I have already told you, in the whole passive voice, in all the tenses and sentences, we have to use third form of the main verb only. Okay, in simple past tense, was verb plus third form. Simple future tense, shall be, will be plus third form. Present continuous tense, we have to use is, am, are as helping verbs plus being and plus third form of the main verb. In past continuous tense, we have to use was a verb plus being plus third form of the main verb. In present perfect tense, we have to use has been or have been and of course third form of the main verb. In past perfect tense, had been plus third form, and in future perfect tense, shall have been or will have been plus third form of the main verb. So children, once you have learned the rules of tenses In passive voice, it will become quite easy for you to change the voice. Let's see some examples. He drinks milk every day. It is an active voice. How did you come to know that it is an active voice? Because see the structure. He who drinks milk every day, he is the subject, drinks is the verb, and milk, he drinks what? Milk. Milk is the object, and you already know, children, what do we have to do to find out the object? We have to make a question with what, whom, or for whom to the verb. The answer we get will be the object. He drinks what? We have got the answer milk, so milk is the object. So in passive voice, first of all, we'll write the object milk. Now after object, the turn is of verb. Children, the sentence he drinks milk every day. Which tense is there in this sentence? Drinks. It shows that the tense is simple present. The sentence is in simple present tense. And as we have seen the rules, in simple present tense or in present indefinite tense, we use is or am or are. And of course, third form of the main verb. So first of all, we'll write the object. We have written milk. Then the helping verb is, because milk is a singular number, and with milk we should use is. Milk is third form of drink, drink, drank, drunk. Milk is drunk. By we have to use before the subject that has become now object. By him every day. Let's see the next example. They do not play cricket. Cricket, the object, cricket is not. Take care, children. Now we will not use do not or does not. That is the property of active voice. But in passive voice, we have only is or am or are for simple present tense. So cricket is, because the sentence is negative, we'll write not. Cricket is not. Third form of the main verb played. By, they will be converted into them. By them. Cricket is not played by them. Does Raman help his friends? Children, take care that we have to change the voice, not the type of sentence. If the sentence is interrogative, we will let it remain interrogative only. First of all, does is there, which is a helping verb. We will also write the helping verb, but we have to write is, am, or are. After does, Raman, that is the subject, but we have to place the object. Does Raman help his friends? His friends is the object that will be brought first. So are his friends, because his friends plural number, so we'll use are. Are his friends. Now does helping verb, Raman subject, help main verb, his friends object. In the same way, we'll also make the interrogative of it. First of all, helping verb are, then instead of subject we have to write object, his friends. Here first form in active voice help, we have to write third form of help, that is helped, and before subject we'll write by. By Raman. Are his friends helped by Raman? Let's see the next sentence. Why did you disobey your elders? This time the tense is simple past, and in passive voice we have to use was or were. Why did you disobey your elders? Why question word will remain same. Only who is converted into by whom. Rest of all the other question words, they remain same. Why will not change it. Why will be written as it is. Why did you? Why will write were, because of your elders. It is plural number. Why were your elders? Third form of the main verb disobeyed. And by you. Why were your elders disobeyed by you? They will not play cricket. It is simple future. We have to use will be or shall be. Cricket will not be played by them. Will Raman help his friends? Will his friends, we have to add be, will his friends be helped by Raman? She is decorating her house. It is present continuous tense, and in passive voice we have to use is, am, are plus being plus third form. Her house object, her house is being decorated by her. How are you doing it? Interrogative sentence with question word. How will not be changed. How is it being done by you? The students were not picking flowers. This time past continuous tense. Was verb plus being plus third form in passive voice. Flowers were not being picked by the students. Next example. She has finished her work. This is present perfect tense. In passive voice we have to use has been or have been. Her work has been finished by her. Next example. Why have the boys disturbed the class? Why has the class been disturbed by the boys? He had posted the letter. It is past perfect tense and we have to use had been plus third form. He had posted the letter. The letter had been posted by him. Had she sung a song? Had a song been sung by her? They will not have solved the sums. Future perfect tense and we have to use will have, shall have plus been plus third form. The sums will not have been solved by them. How shall I have forgotten you? How will you have been forgotten by me? Let's see the next example. Her father gave her a beautiful gift on her birthday. Children, see there are two objects in this sentence. Her father gave whom? Her. What? A beautiful gift. So, this kind of verbs are known as ditransitive verbs when there are two objects. Her father gave her a beautiful gift on her birthday. So, when two objects are there, we will bring any object first and the next object will remain at its own position. Let's see how we have to do it. First of all, let's make her as the subject. It will become she. She was given a beautiful gift, which is the next object. It is on its place. She was given a beautiful gift by her father on her birthday. Or a beautiful gift was given to her by her father on her birthday. The next rule is regarding conversion of imperative sentences into passive voice. If object is given, we will use the structure let plus object plus be plus third form of the main verb. Or if the sentence shows advice or suggestion, object plus should or must be plus third form. Please or kindly are replaced by you are requested to. Sentences showing order or advice can be started in passive voice with you are ordered to or you are advised to. Don't will be converted into not to. Let's see the examples. Call him now. Let him be called now. Let plus object plus be plus third form. Don't talk. You are ordered not to talk. Don't pluck flowers. Flowers should not be plucked or let flowers not be plucked. You are advised not to pluck flowers. Please close the door. Kindly close the door. You are requested to close the door. Verbs in the perfect continuous like present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous and future perfect continuous and in future continuous tense are not generally changed into passive voice. However, according to some grammarians, it is possible, but it is very rarely used. To convert such sentences into passive voice, we use being, being, instead of ing form because we have to use third form of the main verb and the helping verbs will remain same like has been. If it is there, we'll use has been or have been plus being. If it is will have been or shall have been, we'll use will have been, shall have been plus being and third form. And in the same way, shall be or will be plus being plus third form. I hope you have understood it. Well, children, next note is use of preposition by becomes unnecessary. In some sentences, the use of the preposition by it becomes useless in the passive voice when emphasis is on action rather than the doer, when the doer is unknown, when the doer of the action is obvious, or when the doer of the action is a large group of different individuals. For example, if we see the sentence, somebody has picked his pocket. His pocket is the object, his pocket, present perfect tense, his pocket has been picked by somebody is not necessary to write. The people elected him mayor of the city. He was elected mayor of the city by the people is not necessary to write. People speak English all over the world. English is spoken all over the world by people. Again, by people is not necessary. We have to use be plus third form of the main verb when modal auxiliaries like will, would, shall, should, can, could, may, might, etc. are there. For example, you can lift this bag. This bag can be lifted by you. One cannot please everyone. Everyone cannot be pleased. So children, in this way, keeping all the rules in our mind, we can change the voice from active to passive. Let's see rules of conversion from passive voice into active voice. What do we have to do? The very first thing, we will again change the position of subject and object. Bring the object and subject back on their actual places, that is, subject on subject's place and object on object's place. Remove the preposition by, change the tenses back into their active forms. Let's see the examples. I was followed by him on the road. It is passive voice. How will you confirm it whether it is active or passive? First thing, in active voice we never use was or verb plus third form. We use was, verb plus ing. So first thing, through this we can understand, because with was followed is given, it cannot be active voice. Another thing, by him it is mentioned. It means he was following. So it is passive voice. So what will be the active voice for it? I was followed. Was, verb plus third form is used in passive voice in which tense? In simple past tense. And again in active voice we use in simple past tense second form of the main verb. So he followed, I will be converted into me. He followed me, rest part as it is, on the road. He followed me on the road. A beautiful song was not being sung by her. Was, verb plus being plus third form. It is in present continuous tense in passive voice. In active voice we'll use was, verb plus ing form. She was not singing a beautiful song. Has the letter been posted by you? Has been, have been, present perfect tense passive voice. In active voice we'll use has, have plus third form. Have you posted the letter? You will become the subject now. How can it be done by us? Modal auxiliary. We'll remove be. How can we do it? By whom are you taught at home? Who is converted into by whom in passive voice. So again in active voice we'll convert by whom into who. Who teaches you at home? The thief was arrested yesterday. See here, the subject was not necessary in this sentence. That is why the subject was not written. But in active voice, as we have to place a subject, we'll provide a subject from our side, the police, which is the suitable one. The thief was arrested yesterday. Who arrested the thief? Obviously the police. The police arrested the thief yesterday. My wallet was stolen yesterday. Who stole my wallet yesterday? Somebody or someone. Somebody stole my wallet yesterday. Let it not be done now. Don't do it now. So dear students, in this way we have seen how to change the voice of sentences from active to passive or passive to active. Learn the rules and see this video again for a better understanding. Thank you, children.